Good morning children. After completing exercise 2.5, today we are going to start a new topic, that is equations reducible to linear form. On this topic the next exercise is based. So let us solve one example first. Solve x plus 1 upon 2x plus 3 equals to 3 upon 8. Here you can see the variable and the constant are there in the numerator also, and variable and constant are there in the denominator also, and on the right hand side I have a rational number. So nothing, no problem in this. Same method we are going to use. We are going to do cross multiplication in this question. So by cross multiplying 8 will be multiplied by x plus 1. So this x plus 1 I put in bracket, and 3 will be multiplied by this whole 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 I am putting in the bracket. Now using the distributive property, 8 will be multiplied by x, it will be 8x, plus 8 will be multiplied by 1, it will be 8, equals to 3 into 2x is 6x, plus 3 into 3 is 9. Now the terms with the x I am going to transpose on left hand side. The 6x will come on left hand side and will become minus 6x equals to 9. This 8 will go on right hand side and will become minus 8. So 8x minus 6x is 2x. So 2x equal to 1. Therefore the value of x is 1 upon 2. You can check your solution by putting the value. Checking part, if you remember, we have done. Here in the question they have not asked us to check, but we can check our answer by putting in the equation the value of x. So left hand side I have x plus 1 upon 2x plus 3, and on right hand side I have 3 by 8. Right hand side is already solved, no need to do anything. On left hand side we will put this value and see whether we get 3 upon 8 or not. So x plus 1, that means 1 by 2 plus 1 whole upon 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3. Now this 2 and 2 will cancel. So I will get 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 1 plus 3. 1 plus 1 by 2 is 1 and a half, that is 3 by 2. So you can solve by taking LCM also. LCM is 2. So it will be 1 plus 2 whole upon 1 plus 3 is 4. So it will be 3 by 2 divided by 4. So 3 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 4. You can see it is coming 3 by 8. So left hand side is also 3 by 8 and right hand side is also 3 by 8. Hence we have verified our answer. Example 19 given on page number 35 is present ages of Anu and Raj are in the ratio 4:5. The ratio of the ages is given, so we will assume let the present age of Anu be 4x years and the present age of Raj be 5x years. 8 years from now, 8 years from now means after 8 years. After 8 years, Anu's age will be, we will add 8 in Anu's age, it will be 4x plus 8 years, and Raj's age will be 5x plus 8 years. After 8 years, the ratio of the ages will be 5:6. So according to question, 4x plus 8 upon 5x plus 8 is equal to 5 upon 6. I got this equation. Now we will solve this equation. Now the equation is 4x plus 8 upon 5x plus 8 equals to 5 upon 6. So what I will do, we will cross multiply. 6 into 4x plus 8 is equal to 5 into 5x plus 8. Open the brackets. 24x plus 48 equals to 25x plus 40. Using distributive property I have solved this. Now 24x and 25x. You will transpose 25x to left hand side, it will become minus 25x, and plus 48 to right hand side, it will become minus 48. So subtract this, you will get minus x equals to minus 8, minus minus cancel, the value of x is 8. X is 8 means Anu's age will be 4x, that is 4 into 8 equals to 32 years, and Raj age will be 5x, that is 5 into 8 equals to 40 years. Exercise 2.6, question number 1 is solve the following equations. 8x minus 3 upon 3x equals to 2. So here also cross multiplication. This 2 can be written as 2 by 1. So you can cross multiply. 8x minus 3 into 1 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3x. That is 8x minus 3 equals to 6x. Now I will transpose this 6x to left hand side and minus 3 to right hand side. It will be 8x minus 6x equals to 3. 8x minus 6x is 2x equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 upon 2. Second part is 9x upon 7 minus 6x is equal to 15. 15 you can write as 15 upon 1. Again you cross multiply these two. So 9x multiplied by 1 equals to 15 into 7 minus 6x. So 9x into 1 is 9x. 15 7s are 105 minus 15 6 are 90. So 90x. Transpose this minus 90x to left hand side. It will become plus 90x equals to 105. So 99x equals to 105. To find the value of x, 105 divided by 99. You can cancel this by 3. 33 will come here. 3 3s are 9, 15, 3 5s are 15. So x equals to 35 by 33 because it is improper fraction. Change it to mixed fraction. So 1 2 upon 33 is the value of x. Fourth part is 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 upon 5. Again cross multiply. So 5 into 3y plus 4 is equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 6y. 5 into 3y 15y plus 5 into 4 20 equals to minus 2 into 2 minus 4 and minus 2 into minus 6y will be plus 12y. Transpose 12y to left hand side. So 15y minus 12y equals to minus 4. Transpose this plus 20 to right hand side. It will become minus 20. So 3y equals to minus 24. To find the value of y, you will divide 24 by 3. Minus 24 by 3, it will come minus 8. So y equals to minus 8. Fifth part is 7y plus 4 upon y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Again cross multiply. 3 into 7y plus 4 is equal to minus 4 into y plus 2. 3 into 7y is 21y plus 3 into 4 is 12 equal to minus 4 into y is minus 4y and minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Transpose minus 4y to left hand side. So 21y plus 4y is equal to minus 8. This 12 will go on right hand side and will become minus 12. 21 plus 4 is 25. So 25y equals to minus 20. So y equals to minus 20 upon 25. Minus 20 and 25 can cancel by 5. 5 4s are 5 5s are. So the value of y is minus 4 upon 5. Question number 6 is same like example number 19 which I have discussed with you. Moving to question number 7. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. Denominator is greater than numerator by 8. So we will assume the numerator to be x. So you will write the first statement that let numerator be x. Then denominator will be x plus 8. The denominator of the fraction is of the rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So what is the rational number? The rational number is x upon x plus 8. Now according to the question, what is the condition given? If the numerator is increased by 17, so you can write here according to question. If the numerator is increased by 17 means x plus 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, that is x plus 8, here we have to decrease by 1 minus 1. Then the number obtained is 3 by 2. What number is obtained here? We have got 3 by 2. The numerator is increased by 17, the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2, you have to find the rational number. So this you can solve. X plus 17 upon x plus 7 equals to 3 by 2. Then cross multiply. 2 into x plus 17 is equal to 3 into x plus 7. 2 into x plus 17 it will be 2x plus 34 is equal to 3x plus 21. Transpose 3x to left hand side, it will become minus 3x, and 34 to right hand side, it will become minus 34. So minus x equals to minus 34 minus 21 is 13, minus 13. X minus minus cancel, x equals to 13. That is, the numerator is 13. So what will be the rational number? The rational number is x upon x plus 8, that is 13 upon 13 plus 8, which is equal to 13 upon 21. So 13 upon 21 is the rational number. With this, chapter 2 is over.